Hello friends, this is Abhijit from Abhikik. Thanks for viewing my videos. So the views were increasing day by day. So thanks for supporting my video channel, YouTube channel. So the thing is that let's begin. Now we would talk about Microsoft. Microsoft as a brand, Microsoft as a company, how it has been established day by day, and what strategies he is accumulating, and what were the things which goes around from the starting to the end of the beginning. What Microsoft founders were Paul Allen and Bill Gates. You would all know they were the richest. They are the richest persons in the Earth and planet of 73.5 billion of turnover. Approx I think their earnings. Sorry, their earnings. It was founded on April 4, 1975, and it was a basic development company which was founded for the personal computing operating system. Beforehand, they started from Microsoft Windows 95, then they come to 90 MS DOS, then 98, 95, 98, then they came to Windows 7, then come to Windows 10, which is the latest. Beforehand they were also segmented, or beforehand they also brought many products like your Xbox 360, which is a gaming platform. It is a comparison for both Android. It is in comparison for what that PS, it's Sony PS2, PS3, PS4 that Sony is launching. It is a gaming console. So for their comparison, it was going on through. So the thing was that the marketing strategies which they adopted in later, when Satya Nadella became the CEO of Microsoft, they thought that Nokia brand, which was going at much slow, and that time they purchased that brand and purchased that whole assembly line and bought a plant on Chennai, and they established and started working on these smartphones. After they started working on these smartphones, there were Lumia series which were launched for approx normal range budget phones. Their service was very great. I remember those days where Nokia's service centers was full of stretch of peoples who were lovely busy acquiring or repairing their phones, or bringing their handsets to the phones. So in the software business also they growed very well. Till date they are growing. They have many softwares like Azure, which is a cloud computing platforms. Then they have different types of licenses which are based on their different types of portals. They have CRM Dynamics also. They have Windows. They have Office, which is a basic cloud-based product, which is an application product, and also Office 365, which were launched. There were many development softwares like Visual Studio also. At the product part, there were many products also that which they launched, like the Microsoft Surface Pro book, tablet computers, which were a trend of series which were going on from 14 to 15. From 2014 to 15, there was a trend which was going on in that beginning of this. And 2011 and 12 they acquired, I think 2011 to 2014 they acquired terms of Microsoft branding products, which were basically Nokia. They branded it with Microsoft, and there was a Bluetooth issue which was coming upon, so they updated the software. After that they cleared it all, and till date it was running well, but they combined something like they combined with part of Android and part of their OS. They tried to build some phones, but it didn't work well, so they dropped that idea, and now they are stabilizing on the basis of that. They also stopped not much of their produce, but they stopped their productions and all. So the Chennai plant was stopped, and many workers lost their jobs. And after that, that Foxconn came to India and bought that plant, and now they are uh, bringing up the Apple phones. So the thing is that this company was worth of many billion rupees, and today at present it is a big huge amount of money which they are investing on their R&D, like Microsoft as a brand, and they are doing well in their day-to-day business. On the basis of counterparts, as we see, it was founded from 1972 to 1984, where the company was begun. After that, Windows and Office came in 1984 to 1994. After that, in 1995-2007, the internet era came, where 32 bits era was also came. Through the internet launching, they also launched. They did a good gameplay. What they did is that with the Windows, they added that browser, Internet Explorer. Through that, they can gain the market, because the Safari was also coming, and there were different types of, like, your Chrome was not there, but Firefox was also good. But they competed on that way. After that, in 2011 and 14, rigorous Windows 8, Surface Pro, Note, Nokia devices came, In 2014, Windows 10 was being Minecrafted, and they were planning to build it, how they can build it and how they can do the stuff and all. This was the beginning of that era where at present they are staying at a revenue worth of 85.32 billion by 2016, and operating income is around 19.86 billion. Its total asset is around 193.69 billion rupees, and net income is about 16.79 billion in USD dollars, and the total equity is 1.99 billion. Bill Gates is only 3%, but it's a huge amount. You can see number of employees normally works are 1,14,000, and their latest business subsidiaries which they accumulate day by day means Microsoft collaborated with LinkedIn, which was very great idea of them to collaborate and buy that company and bring it to a par. So these were the detailing things which I want to talk about Microsoft as a brand and Microsoft as a company to work, or Microsoft, what Microsoft does, what Microsoft did, and these all things. So hope so you liked my this short video about Microsoft. I would edit it and I would do well to manage it to see you, so that you can have a glance idea about what Microsoft does, what Microsoft did. So thanks for watching my videos, and kindly subscribe and like my video if you liked it. Kindly view this channel. Thank you. Peace. Abhijit.